In a beautiful jungle, there lived a curious monkey named Miko. Miko loved to explore the jungle and learn new things, but what he loved most was eating bananas. One sunny day, the sky was clear, and the sun was shining brightly, casting a warm glow over the entire jungle. While Miko was swinging through the trees enjoying the beautiful day, he spotted something special that caught his eye. There, hanging from a tree, was a glowing banana. It wasn't just any banana, it was shimmering with a magical light. It shimmered in the sunlight and looked magical. Miko had never seen anything like it before. He wondered what kind of magic it held and what adventures it might lead to. Miko's eyes widened with excitement. A magical banana! I have to taste it, he thought. He grabbed the banana and took a big bite. Suddenly Miko began to grow taller. He was growing so tall he could see over the entire jungle. Wow, this banana really is magical, Miko said, amazed. Miko's friends, a squirrel and a rabbit, were calling to him from below. Miko, come down! We miss playing with you! Then, Miko had an idea. He remembered the magical banana he had found earlier in the enchanted forest. It was said to have mysterious powers, and Miko wondered if it could help him with his current predicament. Maybe the magical banana can help me shrink back, he thought to himself, feeling a glimmer of hope. With a determined look, Miko grabbed the glowing banana and held it tightly in his hands. He ate another bite of the glowing banana, savoring its sweet and tangy flavor. As he chewed, he could feel a strange sensation coursing through his body, almost like a gentle tingling, and slowly he began to shrink back to his regular size. Miko watched in amazement as his surroundings grew larger and larger until finally he was back to his normal self. Relieved and overjoyed, Miko knew that the magical banana had worked its wonders. Now Miko was the perfect size again. He swung down to his friends and said, "Being tall was fun, but I'd rather be small and play with you." Miko and his friends laughed and played all afternoon, swinging from trees, running around and sharing bananas. The sun was shining brightly, casting a warm glow over the forest. The air was filled with the sounds of their joyful laughter and the rustling of leaves. They felt free and happy without a care in the world. As they played, they discovered new games and shared stories, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Miko learned that sometimes it's not about being the biggest or the tallest, but about the moments you share with those who matter most. He realized that true happiness comes from the simple joys of life, like playing with friends and enjoying each other's company. It was a lesson that would stay with him forever, reminding him to cherish the little things, but about having fun with the people you love. Miko and his friends knew that no matter what challenges they faced, they would always have each other. Their bond was unbreakable, and their hearts were full of love and laughter. They promised to always support one another and to keep the spirit of their playful afternoons alive in their hearts. And so, Miko and his friends lived happily in the jungle, always enjoying each other's company and sharing magical adventures.